Are bed bugs keeping you up at night? You're not alone. Today, we're sharing expert tips to help you spot, treat, and prevent bed bugs. First, know what you're looking for. Bed bugs are tiny, brownish-red insects that hide in mattress seams. Look for small dark spots on your sheets, those are droppings. Itchy bites in a line or cluster are red flags. Next, clean thoroughly. Strip your bed and wash all linens in hot water. Vacuum your mattress often. Install bed bug-proof mattress covers. Leave them on for at least a year to ensure all trapped bugs die. Store-bought sprays often don't reach hidden bugs. That's why calling the pros is essential. Visit calltopestcontrol.com today and book your inspection. Sleep soundly again, bug-free. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more home protection tips. Don't let the bedbugs bite.